everyone, my name is Arthur Koeman. I'm the founder of Happy Ali. Happy Ali is an online newspaper which publishes only good news from the globe. We are here today in Hong Kong at Bombana Otto e Mezzo. Otto e Mezzo is the only Italian restaurant outside Italy which has 3 Michelin stars. I will introduce you to the bartender, Dave Kumar, which is the Happy Ali favorite bartender. He won quite a few prizes with his creative cocktails, and he will show us today something very special.
Alright, my name is Devendra Kumar. I'm from India, currently working at 8.5 Otto e Mezzo Bombana as a bar manager, and today I have something special for you, a Happy Ali cocktail. It's something that is very easy to drink and easy to kind of drink any time of the day. And it's a twist of a drink that is one of my favorites. It's called Bee's Knees. Bee's Knees is a combination of lemon, honey, orange. Sometimes you add orange bitter, sometimes you don't, depending on your recipe, and then the gin. So we're going to start with the cardamom pot, about 4 of them. And we're going to just open it up to kind of release this beautiful aroma. And that's going to complement really well with the honey and the coffee. Now the second ingredient in line is the coffee liqueur, about ½ ounce, which is 15 ml. And then the classic combination of sweet and sour, which is in this case is a honey water and lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3/4, and then the equal amount of honey water. This honey water is 3:1 ratio, so we take 3 parts of honey and 1 part of water, blend it all together, and then just keep it to kind of have the running consistency. Now 45 ml of gin. In this cocktail especially, we can use any sort of citrusy gin. That will, I think, will go very well rather than something flowery. And in this case, I'm using the which is 1 dash of orange bitter and a little bit of egg white, very, very tiny, to give a nice, beautiful structure to the drink. Now, dry shake. You kind of emulsify all the ingredients together. Now, with a nice shake it again. Full chill Nicanora glass and slowly double strain it. So now, because of the egg white, you will see it will have a nice beautiful foam on top, and here we have Happy Ali cocktail.